Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix music not showing all songs on Instagram. So the first step you have to take is you would actually want to update your Instagram app. Sometimes it might be as a result of your app not being updated to the latest version. That's why you can't see all songs. So you start by updating your Instagram app. Maybe you see an update right here, you click on it and it's going to update your app. If after doing that it doesn't work out, what you need to do, you have to actually uninstall and install back the app and log in to your account again. But if you do that and it doesn't work out, what you're going to do is you will have to go to your phone settings to clear up all your cache. Right here, go to apps and click on Instagram. Then you clear your cache by clicking on your storage and clear cache. And you might also want to clear your data as well. So after doing that, your some of the music are going to show back. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.